Production dashboard. SAP integration. Excel importer. Once the user logs in, they're directed to the executive dashboard. Click on Quality Issues to explore issue categories. Identify recurring problems. Check the total downtime card to view downtime duration and operational performance graphs. Customer Issues card provides quick access to customer feedback. Click the Rejection card to analyze rejection data and export reports to Excel with ease. Production dashboard. Monitor your lines and stations in real time. A red station signals a breakdown, yellow indicates maintenance, and green means it's fully operational. In equipment maintenance, track machine history and cycle times to stay proactive and reduce downtime. For more Fascia solutions, visit www.fasciadigital.com to understand more about